Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I always have a ton of giveaways going on. Number one rule for all of my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel and watch the video that the giveaway is going on in its entirety. We are doing a giveaway in this channel. Speaking of giveaways, I always have a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Nubian by Juvia's. I'll put a link for this video that talks about that giveaway in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I have going on. So today we are talking TestTube. So TestTube they're by NewBeauty, and they're the original beauty sampling subscription box company. The NewBeauty editors curate 8 different items that you will get in your box. It's over $150 value. You also get with that the NewBeauty magazine comes to you separately in the mail. So it ships out every other month. So this is the May one, and it's $29.95. You can do a yearly subscription for $149.75. It's basically like one free tube. I'll show you in a minute why they call it the tube. So if all this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and check it out. Remember, you have to watch the video in its entirety to win the giveaway, and I'm super excited for you guys. So it always comes with the little magazine, talks about each of the different products. So I'll be referring to this when we are going through it. It does say in here, knock knock, getting caught up in the stresses of life is easy. But it's the little things that can help you take your mind to a calmer place. What are you guys doing to kind of de-stress right now? Let me know that in the comments down below. This edition of TestTube is arriving at just the right time to just do that. Sit back, relax, and take a moment to create a self-day care. Inside, you'll find 8 full-size beauty products that offer the perfect mix of solutions to do an at-home facial, give your skin a boost, and above all, put prioritizing yourself at the top of your to-do list. So the reason why it's called TestTube is because the products arrive in this cute little tube, and you can repurpose this. I put makeup brushes like in this end and all sorts. I put my hair ribbons, like headbands and stuff in one of these. I always find good uses for this. So a couple of the products cannot fit in here. So let's get to those first that were just kind of loose here in the box. Ooh, I've wanted to try one of these, especially for my son. So I'll tell you backstory in just a second. So this is SCARAWAY. It's 100% silicone scar gel. Retails for $24.99. And SCARAWAY is a clinically supported advanced treatment that dramatically improves the appearance of scars. It promises to administer results in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. How to use: post-cleanse, dry the scar area and roll a very thin layer of gel directly over the affected area. Once it dries, it can be covered with either cosmetics or sunscreen applied daily. It does have 100% medical grade silicone in this, and it's the easiest way out there to treat scars. It's not sticky, it stays put, and so many doctors recommend it. Expert insight on this is the medical grade silicone is SCARAWAY in an advanced-based way to improve the appearance of existing scar or prevent the formation of those thick, hypertonic red scars. So when my son was little, he was chasing girls. I mean, we're talking like 3 or 4 years old, but at his preschool, chasing girls around. And you know, they have those lower sinks kind of for the little tiny kids. Well, he fell and hit his head and the corner and split like 1/4 inch deep, like really. So we call this Harry Potter scar, but it goes just straight down here, and he has a huge scar here. He also has really bad scars on his back. He's a 6'3" kid, and so he grew one summer like 6 inches, and he has basically stretch marks on his back from going, and I don't know if it's because it's been too long, if I could still use this on him. He's now 18 years old. So let me know if you try one of these and on long-term scars and if they work. I am excited about this one. This is from NEOCELL. It's a collagen protein peptides, and I've been taking collagen from another brand and I'm almost out of it. So I'm excited that this one came in here because I'm thinking about growing out. I mean, I already got a good, kind of a good start on the grays, thinking about growing it out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know any tips, tricks in the comments down below. So this is from NEOCELL. It does retail for $39.99. It's a collagen powder. It's the ultimate and easiest way to achieve glowing skin and healthier hair and nails. I did rip off a toenail on New Year's, and so my toenail, a big toenail, is starting to grow back. It's about halfway. So any help I can get in the hair and the nails, I'm all about right now. So what you do is you mix 1 scoop of the dissolving powder in your coffee, tea, or smoothie for clinically proven results. The editor's feedback is, there's just one word to describe how NEOCELL helps me get a collagen boost from the inside out, effortless. Key ingredients are formulated with collagen, types 1 and 3, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and amelia fruit extract. This powder distributes both hydrating and wrinkle-reducing properties from the inside out. The expert insight on this collagen supplement supports healthy hair and provides the hydration your body needs for beautiful, firm, and younger-looking skin from the inside out. I am super excited about this. So here we have 4 face masks. You get 2 of the exfoliating and 2 of the recharging. Each mask retails for $4, so you have $16 worth here. And exfoliate, what it is, exfoliate includes a cleanser, peeling pads, and sleeping mask. And recharge includes a cleanser, sheet mask, and hydro moisturizer. How to use exfoliating. First, gently wash your face, follow up with AHA peeling pad, and then apply the sleep mask. For recharging, use face wash first. Then apply the sheet mask and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Apply hydro moisturizer as your last step. The editor's feedback is to take the guesswork out of which ingredients to layer. Key ingredients for the exfoliating is the AHA acid, tiger, cica, and blueberry extracts with parenthal and peptides. Recharging has rice, licorice, cactus, and honey extracts. The expert insight are 3-step care kits were created to connect with consumers who have busy lifestyles yet want to simply integrate a simple routine and can have amazing results on your skin. So for those of you that don't know, I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks and kind of let you know what I think. So look for these in an upcoming masking review video. So now let's get into the products that are in the tube itself. From ORLY, Breathable is a treatment plus color. Retails for $9.99. I have mine in the shade Pep in Your Step. And what it is, a 1-step nail color that acts as both a polish and a treatment. This formula is breathable, allowing excess moisture to escape for longer lasting manicures. It also doesn't need a base or a top coat. How to use, all you have to do is apply 2 coats to clean natural nails and let them dry. Editor's feedback. If you're going to paint your nails, why not treat them at the same time? This is a double duty must-have. Key ingredients are ethyl acetate, which is one of the most popular ingredients in nail strengthening formula. This formula is also formaldehyde free. The expert insights are nail treatments are typically clear and lack of fun. Expressive element of a manicure. Breathable was formulated in an easy at-home solution, offering a variety of colors ranging from bright to natural, combined with the benefits of the treatment. I think this this is kind of cool. I've been doing more, like all you guys, more at-home nail stuff, so I'm excited for this. From TERRA & Co. is the Brilliant Black Toothpaste. It does retail for $25. And it's organic toothpaste that utilizes activated charcoal in order to visibly whiten teeth. It's also been clinically tested for everyday use. Do any of you guys out there use charcoal toothpaste? Let me know down below. I'm kind of going back and forth on it. How to use. Use this toothpaste morning and night as directed by your dentist. Editor's feedback is making the switch to organic toothpaste was so easy with this formula, I'll never go back. Key ingredients. The star of the toothpaste is activated charcoal, which has various benefits such as being antifungal, antibacterial, and detoxifying. Coconut oil, peppermint essential oil, and baking soda are also part of the mix, adding refreshing anti-inflammatory and brightening properties to this must-have product. The expert insight is TERRA & Co. uses only clean ingredients because we want to create something that is safe for you and your whole family. Here's a product that I have tried before and loved. This is the Dr. BRANDT Skincare Pores No More Illuminating Primer. This does retail for $38, and it's a double duty primer that delivers natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated complexion. It can be used with makeup or alone for a perfect no makeup look. How to use. After moisturizing in the morning, pat a pea-sized amount onto the center of your forehead, bridge, or the nose, and along the cheekbones. Editor's feedback. I love using it under tinted sunscreen and then adding a dot on the cheekbones. Key ingredients are soft focus technology, utilizes optimal diffusers to blur the look of pores and imperfections. Tea tree oil works to purify the skin, and lentil seed extract refines the appearance of pores. The expert insight is apply this primer before putting on makeup to shrink the look of pores without clogging them. By adding illuminating powders, it provides an instant natural glow. Here's what the packaging looks like. Here's on the back of the hand. And I'm just gonna rub that in there. Just so it's right here. I mean, like I said, it just gives just a little bit of a glow. It's so, so pretty. Like I said, I have used this before and it works and I love it. I've wanted to try this, guys. This is the LUMINIZER Hyaluronic Serum. Does retail for $60. And it's a skin plumping line filler that volumizes and transforms the skin, leaving behind a dewy, flawless glow. How to use. After cleansing and toning, apply a thin layer onto your face and neck in the morning and at night. Editor's feedback. There is a whole lot of hydration packed in one bottle. The best part is it's gentle enough to use morning and night. Key ingredients of this formula is primarily composed of multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5 and E, and ginkgo biloba extract, which work together to deliver plumping anti-aging benefits. Expert insight. This serum uses technology-advanced hyaluronic acid to replenish skin moisture, dramatically improving the appearance of aging skin and resulting in youthful-looking, plumper skin. I've heard a lot of really good things about this, and here's what the packaging looks like. I can't wait for this one. And finally, the last thing in here is by RUSK PUREMIX. It's a native fig replenishing 3-in-1 leave-in. It retails for $18. And it's a vitamin-rich leave-in spray. Coat hair with vitamin C, E, and calcium, instantly sealing in moisture and leaving hair frizz-free and detangled. A lot of frizz. How to use. Use this as a conditioning treatment, detangler, frizz tamer, and styling primer. Thoroughly mist through clean towel dried hair. Do not rinse. This is a lightweight leave-in, doesn't weigh down your hair, and makes detangling a breeze. Key ingredients are a blend of figs, restore hair's moisture levels, while quinoa delivers long-lasting color protection, and oats give hair strength. It's also paraben, gluten, silicone, sulfate, and cruelty-free. Expert insight: PUREMIX was created with nature's best ingredients to bring out the best in you. We designed to leave in to be a multitasking product that leaves your hair feeling moisturized, smooth, and soft. So because I'm trying to actually grow out my grays and I want my color that I have in here to fade, I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway as well as something else. But let me total up the box first. So the box totals $231.93. You only spent, what, 20 something for it? Pretty good deal. So let me know what you guys thought about the box in the comments down below. So now for the giveaway. Like I said, #1 rule is you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check. You must watch this video in its entirety. I do all of my giveaways over on Google Forms. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. Fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on there, your member name, so that way I can look it up to see if you are subscribed or not. So the two things that we are going to be giving away, like I said before, are the PUREMIX. It sounds really cool. I'm just trying to, it talks about it being helping to protect your color, and I'm trying to get rid of my color. And then because I got 2 of the recharging masks and 2 of the exfoliating masks, I'm giving 1 of these to each of you as well. So this is what will be in this giveaway. So let's have this giveaway go through June 15th. I'm super excited for that week because they pushed my son's graduation off to that week. So hopefully we can attend. Keep our fingers crossed. Please keep your fingers crossed for him too. I only have 1 kid, so hoping that we can go. Anyway, on June 16th, I will then go ahead, do a random number generator, and that will go ahead and pick the winner. My giveaways are open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for any duties, taxes, fees to get to your country, as well as if products are damaged or lost in shipping. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. I purchased these products on my own to give it back to you. I love giving back to you. 2 extra bonus entries that you can have is 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, and the letter B. Also, if you share this video, that will give you an extra bonus entry as well. On that Google form, please only fill it out once, so that way it is fair to everybody. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you soon. Good luck on the giveaway, guys. Bye.